Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Olmsted Academy South School here in Louisville, Kentucky. And I'm in their main hallway, kind of right directly in line with their front lobby. And we had a couple assemblies today for the 6th and 7th graders in their gymnasium. And the focus of today's program was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. And to be able to do that takes a lot of courage. So I love the fact that it says, their motto here says, "We are brave," right? And so the idea that we have this bravery to be able to see everybody for who they truly are, to be able to treat people like you treat your best friend, is really what the focus of today's message was all about. And also being able to see people for this too. Every one of us on the palm of our hands, I traced one of mine here, but we all have at least one M on each of our hands with the lines of our hand. And that M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt here, upside down, W for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And for these students that came up to me today, some in tears, that shared their hearts with me and some of the things that they're going through, have been through, some of them really just confessed that they have never been told that they're a miracle, right? They've never really thought about that. They never really believed that. And to be told that for the first time in their life, for some of them, was huge. And it's so huge because it's not only us believing this and buying into our worth and value, but we have to be that light to other people's hearts too, right? Help them see that they're good enough, that they're great enough as well. And all that love, all that kindness starts in each of our hearts, as big as our fist. If we let that kindness, compassion, peace fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? That one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one heartbeat, one breath, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can destroy a life. We have this choice, right? That even if we've gone through a lot of pain, we can turn that pain into greatness. And we can turn hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, into healed people who heal people. If we, again, make that conscious choice to forgive, to choose love, and to really make it past any past wounds and start to be all in for this planet, because this earth needs us. It needs us to be the change. It needs us to know that the time is now. The time is always right to do what is right. And that starts with us choosing that respect, right? Choosing that kindness, choosing that empathy, choosing acceptance, and being that light to this world. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Thank you so much for touching my heart today. We asked that question at every assembly I do, and every hand went up saying that, yes, something you shared, Mr. Peace, really spoke to me. And that means that you have a big heart. So now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this playlist right here for some extra motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol that you see on the phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.